So hello everyone. So we will learn about Geneva mechanism in SolidWorks. Okay. So first of all, we will take a new assembly file. Okay. Can double click here also, or else single click on assembly and select OK. So first, so when you're opening an assembly profile or assembly file, so these kind of pop-up notification will be available. So here it means any part you can assemble, any part you can import here by use of selecting browse tool. Okay, so I will this is a Geneva mechanism analysis. So first I will take as part 1 and I'm keeping here. Okay, I'll take second one as a component insert, browse and select the part 2. Okay, I'll keep as here. The same thing, insert components, select browse tool and this start part 5. Okay, so all the component I have taken here. So after taking, you can easily join these component for constraints. Okay, constraints are the tool which can move, copy or rotate. Okay, for any two objects. Okay, because one object doesn't have any kinematics or motion, so for two objects we have to select here. So select mate tool. Okay, so I'm selecting the cylindrical part. So mate tool will be provided. Okay, coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric. Okay, these are the constraint tool, fixed constraint tool. Okay, so here I'm selecting this circular part and this profile sector part area. Okay, it will come to the symmetrical in shape. It means total straight direction in shape. Select OK. Now this surface area I need to join with the bottom profile surface area, this one. Okay, got it. Select OK. Now see. Okay, it's totally fixed. So first one completed. What about second one? So second one also available here. So I'm selecting cylindrical part as first profile body and cylindrical part as second profile body. Select OK. First constraint completed and second constraint same. Okay, so after completion of two constraint, so Geneva mechanism work with one cylindrical object which having one shaft type of thing. So this shaft will be engaged with this slot area and it will rotate. Okay, it will rotate only 90 degrees as per this rotation of this wheel as 360 degrees. Okay, let's see. So this one is completed as mates. Now second we have to arrange this as a profile. Exactly, arranging of this profile is main important. So we'll take as top view, this bottom view, left view. So top view we have to take from here. Okay, so here exactly we need to merge the two profile perfectly. Okay, you have to see is providing proper. Okay, up to here our assembly is done, but now from here kinematics will be started. So how to use kinematic on this two motion profiles, because this is 360 degrees profile. So after revolving this part as 360 degrees, so this profile will rotate only up to 90 degrees. Okay, because of the mechanism. So first I will select as motion study. Okay, next I will go to settings. Okay, so here 8 frame per second. Okay, these are frames, it means rotation objects, we have a frame. So I'll take as 30 frame per second. Okay, so here I will make it high quality of geometric accuracy and high quality as 3D constraint resolution. Okay, from here animation to basic motion. Okay, we have an option like basic motion in animation tool only. Okay, done. So this one also I will take as 30. frame per second basic motion, and I'm selecting here OK. Okay, first setting completed. Next, go to contact or motor. Okay, any these two are like sequence based process. So I will make as motor as a second constraint tool. So selecting this motor. So motor, it means for any circular objects we can use motor for rotation. Okay, so this wheel is rotation wheel. So here from we have a motor type. One is rotary motor, second one is linear. Okay, so linear always work in rectangular or profiles. Okay, movable profiles. These are rotation profiles. So here component direction, it means which direction the component should move or rotate. Okay, so I am selecting this as profile on the surface area. So this is now clockwise direction. Okay, so if you want to convert the direction as a anti-clockwise, so you can simply select here reverse direction process like this. This is now anti-clockwise. Okay, so as per diagram we can take any one as per profiles. Okay, so phase and direction is completed. Next, go to base part. Okay, so in which profile, which base profile this profile is situated, circular profile is situated or placed, or a supporting area. So base is always the base supporting area like this. Okay, so here we have 100 rpm, so change it to 30 rpm here, because 100 rpm we can't see the profile is very, it will move very fastly, so 100 will be very slow motion. Okay, so rotary is completed. Okay, we put a motor here and we keep some of constraints here, select OK. So rotary is complete. Now select contact, it means contact between these two profiles. Okay, select contact. So contact between what, these slots. Okay, we have 4 slots, so no need to give any 4 slots area. So I'm simply selecting this circular part towards this circular half cylindrical slot area. Okay, select OK. Okay, now simply select here calculate tool, because whatever we given the motion or analysis, that will calculate as per profiles and will move. Okay, calculate. Just wait for some time, it will show some result. Okay, so it's a little fast, so I will make it pause. Okay, and I'm selecting play. See here, got it? The Geneva mechanism. Okay, so you can easily change the time according to this area, because this should be work starting only, because from starting only you have to take 20. Okay, okay, or else if you want to see it continuously, you select here playback or reciprocating mode, playback mode loop. Okay, let's see. So it will only work towards these two area, because from starting only we have taken here for the time. Okay, from starting only if you take as 20 seconds, so for 20 seconds it will rotate and rotate again. Okay, so until it will start from here like this. Okay, so this is the Geneva mechanism analysis. Okay, this is very important part, used in maximum every factory or every manufacturing area. So this is the main one of the main part. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just comment below my comment section in YouTube channel. Okay.